Do you want to know how you can log into your Forma AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Forma AI account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar to search for Forma AI login. You can log in or you can click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. Clicking on the first link takes you to the official login portal directly, and if you click on the second link, it will first take you to the official page of Forma AI where Experience AI powered sales incentives is guaranteed. So what you can do is click login, which you can see on the top right hand side, and it will lead you to another browser or another tab. You can see that this is the official login portal of Forma AI. What you need to do is write down your email address, write down the password associated with your Forma AI account, and then click login. This way, you can successfully log into your Forma AI account. If you don't remember your password, click on this link, write down your email address here, and then click send link. This way, a recovery email will be sent to your email by Forma, and then you can reset your password quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Forma AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.